We have boilers that are original to the building. The boilers are functional and they keep the building warm, but they're obviously on the edge of being completely obsolete, difficulty getting repair parts. They have significant issues in terms of efficiencies. They're way behind current technology as far as efficiency of natural resources. Obviously, we want to be good stewards of the environment, in addition to good stewards of Kaneland's dollars and taxpayer dollars. And the current boilers are not allowing for that. They just burn a lot more natural gas than is necessary to heat a building of this size. Usage of natural gas would be impacted significantly if we were able to update the boilers. Technology has just advanced so far in that realm that you can heat a building of this size much more efficiently than we're able to with the existing boilers. Also, you have efficiencies in electrical with updated chillers and air conditioning units for the various areas. Potentially, you could look into more advanced technology like geothermal heating and cooling for some spaces at the high school that would have a significant impact on energy usage as well.